Hi, my name is Anton and I'm working in a Coherent Solutions as a .NET software engineer. If you're still seeing that .NET is just Microsoft, Windows and legacy enterprise applications, this picture is seriously outdated. In 2026, .NET is cross-platform, cloud-ready and used to build one of the most demanding systems out there. So, in this video, I want to show you what matters for a .NET developer in 2026. Not just what to learn, but how the role has changed itself. Let's start with the biggest shift. .NET is no longer tied to Windows. It could be run almost everywhere. It's an open source platform with a strong contribution from both Microsoft and the community. And clouds don't mean Azure anymore. You can run your application on AWS, Azure, Google Clouds, or anywhere else using the same tools and the same approach. And what does it mean for a developer? You are not concentrated only on Microsoft infrastructure. Another important shift, .NET has grown up. If you worked with the older versions, maybe you remember this pain. Complicated setup, performance concerns and confusion between different versions. Most of this is gone. Now we have a unified platform, predictable behavior and a strong performance out of the box. Async programming, configuration and deployment, these are now more advanced topics. This is a default for a .NET developer in 2026. The key idea is that you spend less time fighting the platform and more time building a strong application. But it also matters that expectations for a developer are higher now. So, as we mentioned before, in 2026, cloud is not an extra knowledge for a .NET developer. Automated pipelines, containers, configurations, secret storage, it's our daily routine. So, in case you are working in a .NET today, it means that you are working in a cloud-native world already. Let's talk about architecture. And here .NET gives you flexibility but also responsibility. There are different approaches: minimal APIs and controllers, vertical slice architecture, clean architecture, modular monoliths. You can select whatever you want. But the key point is what are you selecting and you're understanding why you are selecting this approach. Because a good architecture is not about following the trends. It's about understanding why you're selecting this approach. And this is exactly where developers grow into engineers. So, why do companies choose .NET in 2026? The answer is simple: reliability and performance. When something needs to run fast, scale well, and works for years, .NET is a very strong choice. Built-in support for authentication, encryption, and safety communication make it easier to build systems that are safe by default. And this is exactly the kind of environment modern .NET developer works in. One important thing that we can't ignore is AI. Tools like GitHub Copilot is an everyday tool for every developer right now. It helps us to generate code with refactoring and speed up our daily tasks. But it will never replace a .NET as an application platform. It will be integrated in it as a layer of services, tools and libraries, but will not replace the platform. And it also changes the role of the developer. If you just generate a code, you're replaceable. But if you understand what are you developing and why, you're not. So finally, what does it mean to be a .NET developer in 2026? First of all, it's not just about writing a code. And to be honest, writing code is even not more the main part of our work. It's about how to design systems, how to scale them, and how to make right decisions. It's about working with the cloud. It's about working with AI. A modern .NET developer is not just a programmer. It's an engineer who solves the real client problems and delivers impact.